In this video, you will learn how to use banners, headers and footers on Substack. Log into your Substack account, visit the Substack website, then log into your dashboard using your credentials. Go to Settings. In the left-hand menu, click on Settings, then scroll to the website or Publication Details section. Upload a banner or header image. Look for an option labelled Publication Logo or Header Image. Upload a banner image that represents your brand, ideally around 600 to 1000 pixels wide for the best appearance. Customize the header, title and tagline. In the same section you can edit your publication name and even your tagline and description, which serves as a text-based header on your site and emails. Edit the footer text. Scroll down to find the footer option. You can include text like copyright notice, a short bio or links to your social media, or even contact information. Preview and save your changes. Click preview or visit your public Substack page to view the updates. If everything looks good, click save to make the changes live. Now you know how to use banners, headers, footers all on Substack. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.